Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can verify your ID on Coinbase. So in order to verify your ID on Coinbase, first of all, open up a browser. You can also do this procedure with the help of an application. So on the web address bar, type in www.coinbase.com. Make sure that you are already logged into your Coinbase account. In my case, I've already logged in, or that I have already saved my login info. So once you're logged into your Coinbase account, this is how it's going to look like. So in order to verify your ID, first of all, while you're creating an account, you should have verified your email address. So after you're done verifying your email address, now to begin with the actual verifying ID, you'll be able to see if you've not verified your ID, the interface is something like this. So click on verify your information right over here, right at the bottom. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to go through steps. So basically you'll have to follow the prompt and make sure to provide all of the information that has been asked. For example, here you can see they have been asked as your legal name and then your last name, your date of birth, your street address, your some sort of questionnaire and all that, social security number. And once you're done submitting it, click the continue button. As soon as you do that, you'll be receiving a statement such as you'll have to wait for a certain period of time, and after that you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully verified your Coinbase account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.